Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas and today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Toyota YN86 Hilux New Old School in 1/24 scale by Aoshima. Information on the side about what Mr. Colours to use. A picture on that side. So they're 1995. A couple of pictures there of the finished model, including some parts list, lots of American parts for this, and the same on that side. If we open it up, we've got the instructions, black sprue that had already been taken out, 2 chrome sprues, lots of white sprues, the cab, another white sprue and some tyres, 1 clear sprue, another clear sprue, decals, window masks, and because this was purchased from Kent Models, they very kindly gave me a notepad and a packet of Haribo. You can get 10% off your next order from Kent Models by using the code BOAB10 at checkout. Plus, every time you use it, it helps the channel. Thank you very much. So let's start by looking at the instructions. Important information there on the front about putting the decals in your favourite points. Now this actually has adjustable suspension, so it's got information about how to use that here. Got the interior. This only comes with right-hand drive dash, tread direction, and instructions about how to do the suspension. Drill to add the windscreen wipers. Got a choice of grills and lower bumpers. As you can see here, we've got the rear shell cover, which you can add or leave off. Also the tailgate is movable. Then the front cab, how that goes on, and then another optional part here whether you want to add the rear bumper. And then instructions about how to control the suspension. Oh, and finally here you've got details of all of the different sprues. Let's start by looking in this one. So you see here you've got the interior tub. That's where the gear stick goes. Got very minimal detail for the door cards. Got a front bench seat there. The section for the automatic gear stick, wipers, steering wheel, number plates, and then you've just got that one right-hand drive automatic dashboard, quite nicely moulded though. Now, these are part of the adjustable suspension, so you can see here how that would clip in place to adjust the suspension of the front wheels. So you've got these for the front and then you've got these for the rear. It's interesting that they've not included any grease in this, as I know they did for the movable parts in the DeLorean kit. We've got the first of 2 chrome sets here. So this one has got these wheels and we've got this grille here with the Toyota crest. The rear bumper, I think those are also for the rear bumper. The lower part of the grille there, the chrome looks very crisp and bright, and then you've got the other grille here which has got the Toyota text, and these other wheels. These are clips for the rear window. On the other side, the style of the wheels on this kit. Now this one has had some parts taken away from it, like this one here. See on there it says Hilux bumper, so you've got a different version of the front bumper there. Kind of tank for the underside, I think it's part of the exhaust here. I think these are for the hydraulics and that's for the inside of the lights, and then we've got here for the wing mirrors. Yep, we've got a couple of white sprues in here. So that's the flatbed. You can see here how it leaves the suspension exposed. This one for the rear kind of sleeper cover. Yep. And then the rear needs to be put together. So you've got these on the sides. Not sure what that is. Oh, that's the frame for the underside, isn't it? Of course. There's the frame, a little bit of engine detail there, wing mirrors, and these for the tailgate. So in fact you've got two styles of tailgate there. There we've got the cab. As you can see, you've got a little bit of detail on the outside here. The door handles, the venting there. So you've got little holes to drill out for the wipers, and the front bumper is completely absent, so you can add those parts. Yeah, nicely moulded. I like that it's in white because it lets you choose what colour. The clear sprue here, so you've got there the windscreen, got a little dome light and sun visors included. Lights, looks like one of them might have fallen off there, so I might need to look for that. These are the rear lights. I think that's the rear of the cab, and other versions of the lights here. I think that these lights are for one version of the grille. So these ones are for this version of the grille with the Toyota crest, and these versions over here are for this version of the grille. So depending on which one you want to build. Hopefully I've got that bit that's fallen off in the bag. And then these are for the sleeper, so you've got the rear window there, and these are for the side. So that will go on the back like so, and these will go on the sides. Then we've got a small sheet of decals here. As you can see, got either white or black Hilux number plates, the dashboard, a couple of other dials, little side markers, and then 3 Toyo tyres decals, which are kind of like a sort of sun strip there. And then you've got the masking seals here for the front window and the rear window. So there we have it. This is a bit different to the kind of builds that you're probably used to seeing from me. However, it's not going to look quite like this. I have some quite extensive plans for this with some custom parts, custom paint job. Going to be modifying it quite heavily to make it look pretty different. Thank you very much for watching. Please do leave a comment down below. Let me know if you've built this. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.